Do you want to save money on your groceries? Of course you do. It's a universal desire. We all love a good bargain, especially when it comes to filling our shopping carts. Today, we're here to share some practical tips on how to save money on groceries. These aren't just any tips, but ones backed by insights from financial experts and cooking show hosts. From buying in bulk to planning meals ahead, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to learn some easy and effective strategies. First up, consider buying in bulk and planning your meals. When it comes to non-perishable items, buying in bulk is often a great way to make your money go further. Think about items like rice, pasta, canned goods, or even toiletries. The initial outlay might be larger, but the cost per item is usually much lower. Now, let's talk about meal planning. Ever find yourself throwing out food that's gone bad because you didn't have a chance to use it? That's where meal planning comes in. By planning your meals for the week, you can make sure you're only buying what you need, reducing both wastage and unnecessary spending. And here's a pro tip. Plan your meals around what's on sale or in season. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy a variety of foods throughout the year. So remember, buy in bulk and plan your meals. You'll be surprised at how much you can save. Next, let's talk about coupons and apps. In the digital age, these tools have become a budget shopper's best friend. They can lead to significant savings if used wisely. Traditional paper coupons are still a great way to save, but now many grocery stores have their own apps, offering digital coupons and special deals. Popular apps like Grocery Pal and Ibotta not only display weekly ads and coupons, but also pay you back for certain purchases. Checkout 51 offers cash back on items you've bought through uploaded receipts. It's like getting paid to shop. Moreover, Flip digitizes all your loyalty cards and combines them with a wide variety of flyers and circulars for maximum savings. All these apps have one thing in common. They aim to save you money. But remember, the key here is to purchase what you need, not what's on sale. It's easy to get lured by discounts, but true savings come from buying necessary items at a lower cost. So don't forget to use coupons and check out some grocery shopping apps. Now, on to store brands and marketing tactics. You might be surprised to learn that store brands often offer the same quality as name brands, but at a lower price. Yes, you heard right. These products are typically made by the same manufacturers who produce name brand items, but without the high marketing costs. That's why they are usually more budget-friendly. But while we're on the subject of marketing, let's talk about some common tactics that stores use to make us spend more. Ever noticed items placed at the end of aisles or products grouped together? That's no coincidence. These are strategies known as end caps and grouping. They are designed to catch your eye and make you more likely to buy. So next time you're in the grocery store, don't be swayed by the flashy end cap displays or convenient product groupings. Instead, stick to your list and consider choosing store brands where possible. Keep in mind, store brands can be just as good, and be wary of marketing tactics. Let's recap what we've learned. We've embarked on a journey together, exploring different ways to save money on groceries. We kicked off with the power of buying in bulk and planning meals ahead. These strategies not only help us save money, but also reduce food waste. We then delved into the world of coupons and apps. With a little bit of time and effort, these tools can lead to significant savings. It's like having a sale every day, right in your pocket. Next, we looked at the option of choosing store brands over name brands. Many times, these products are just as good, if not better, and they come with a smaller price tag. We also discussed the importance of being mindful of marketing tactics. Stores are designed to make us spend more, but with a keen eye, we can outsmart these strategies. Remember, it's not about depriving ourselves. It's about making smart choices. Whether it's using our kitchen tools effectively, making meat a component rather than the centerpiece of our meals, or considering warehouse stores for cost-effective shopping, every decision we make can lead to savings. By following these tips, you can save a significant amount on your grocery bills. Remember, every little bit helps. Happy shopping and saving. Before we wrap up, here are a few more tips to help you save money on groceries. Consider shopping at your local farmers markets. Not only will you be supporting local businesses, but you'll also find fresh, seasonal produce often at a fraction of the cost of supermarket prices. Plus, the quality is usually superior, which means more bang for your buck. If you have a green thumb, or even if you don't, think about growing your own herbs and vegetables at home. It's a fun, rewarding hobby that can save you money. You'll be surprised how much you can save by growing your own basil, parsley, or tomatoes. Lastly, don't be afraid to get creative with leftovers. Instead of throwing them away, reinvent them into a new meal. Leftover chicken can be turned into a hearty chicken salad for lunch, or leftover vegetables can be used in a stir-fry or soup. These additional tips may seem small, but they can add up to significant savings over time. Remember, every penny counts when it comes to saving on your grocery bills. Keep these tips in mind the next time you plan your grocery shopping. Happy saving!